Hi, my name's Joe Salmons. Welcome to rockthiscity.org. I'm a life coach and an evangelist, and we're excited. We're excited to share our vision with you. And it's simple as this. Jesus said in John 12:32, he said, but if I be lifted up, I'll draw all men to myself. We believe that. I've seen that in my own life. And that's our vision. We're at one of the largest football stadiums in the United States of America. And our goal, our vision is to see this stadium, the swamp, filled with believers praising God and with people who are looking for Him so that they might come to know Christ. Would you help us make that happen? We're trusting God to fill this stadium. And we spent the last 2 years conducting revival services just to make that happen. Enjoy the website, look around, click to see our schedule of events, where our next schedule, where we're going to be or what we're going to be doing. We love you, God bless you, and we hope to hear from you as well.